Nos comprole benedicat Virgo Maria. Okay, so this is assembly for Wednesday. We're losing track of the days. Wednesday, the 18th of March. And hopefully most of you are signed up now on Classroom, Google Classroom, to the classes you need to take today. If you have any problem, please email me now during the course of the morning, preferably before 8:40, and just tell me what you need. Okay, I'm headmaster@chavagne.org. Headmaster@chavagne.org. Instructions for being available for your first class at 8:40 are on the assembly classroom. The assembly classroom that has been mentioned. I noticed that at least 30 boys have signed up to that. It's a kind of news feed, and you'll see the different codes that you need to enter other classrooms for your other virtual classes. If you are stuck, if you have any problem, please email me this morning at headmaster@chavagne.org. Thank you. God bless.